Have you tried a traditional Chinese hot pot cooked in firewood? Malamang hindi pa, no mga bes. Kaya tara, let's samahan nyo kaming mag-food trip kung saan may masarap, malasa at kakaibang hot pot. Hello mga bes! We are here at Buendia Avenue along Washington Street at Victoria de Makati Condo to eat at Firewood Kitchen Makati. Pagpasok pa lang, ramdam na agad ang Chinese vibe. Fairness, clean and homey. Ang ganda pa ng hot pot wok, galing pa daw China lahat yan. We also met the owner, Mr. Mike Xiao, and he gladly cooked the broth for us using oil and authentic spices from his hometown in China. We ordered one of their specialties, organic chicken hot pot. Nag-add din kami ng hot pot favorites like mushrooms, tofu, pork ribs, beef, and shrimps, which we highly recommend. So tara, tikman na natin. Grabe mga bes, ang sarap ng broth. It had a deep flavor, lumabas talaga yung umami. Very worth the wait. Ang galing ng combination of flavors. And no need na for hot pot dips na nakasanayan natin dahil malasang malasa na siya. Don't forget to order rice, syempre perfect combination. Reasonable naman ang price for the quality of the ingredients used. Sulit na sulit if you're dining in a group. Okay siya for celebrations and family gatherings. So mga best, make sure to try this traditional Chinese hot pot of Firewood Kitchen in Makati. Until our next food trip mga best, let's eat!